How to get iPhone 15 wallpaper on older iOS devices. Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple app tutor video. In this quick video, we're going to show you how you can easily download and get the new iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro wallpapers. They look pretty cool, and you can get them for absolutely free. But before we start with this video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more similar videos like this one. In order to get the new wallpapers for your older iOS device, you want to open the Safari web browser and go over to google.com. When you're here, you want to type iPhone 15 wallpaper and hit enter on your keyboard. Then select the images section because we want the image results. You'll get a bunch of different results, and you just want to find an iPhone 15 wallpaper which you would like to use for your specific device. I like this classic wallpaper that I've seen on many iPhone 15 videos and photos, so I'll select it, and I'll then download this wallpaper to my photo gallery. You can then proceed and change your iPhone wallpaper to this one. It was pretty quick and easy, and make sure to check out the iPhone playlist in the description of this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.